Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Velocity.
What does the dictionary say?
Rapidity of motion or operation. Swiftness. Speed.
Math rap.
To understand velocity, here's all you need. Velocity's an old-fashioned word for speed. How fast something is moving in a direction from point A to point B. It's speed detection.
Math rap.
What is the fastest growing city on Earth? Velocity. Explain velocity in your own words. Hurry! Why can't we have greater velocity running backwards than we do running forwards? Rank the following creatures in order of their ability to reach the highest levels of velocity: rabbit, human, snail, tree, tiger, shark. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!